Hello guys, good afternoon. It's me Bruce from Hanzo Elke Bike, and this is our factory. This is a workshop. The bikes have been packed already, so we are gonna be arranging the last few container loading for our bikes. So we are about to go off for our holidays, the Chinese New Year holidays. And this is what we have. All right, and this one with this bike, this e-bike is it is actually our latest development. It is quite fabulous, as we can see from here. So it is a simple bike with a very simple e-bike with pedal assist mode. So we can start from here. We have 3 buttons right here. The power in the middle. So simply click on this. The screen is on. So I'll try the button from the top. So it gives out a different assisting. So we have 5 mode of assisting. So that's what we have. This is a battery design. Battery is embedded into this down tube. Now we can remove this. I think I have to work with both hands. But anyway, the battery. This is the battery. Okay. And this triangle is simply luxurious. I mean, right? This is a middle motor. And we're working with the Shimano gears. Which is quite luxurious. And also this is an air suspension fork. Let me I will press the fork a little bit. Now you see what it is like now. Also there's a disc brake. Right. So basically it's a fabulous bike. It's stunning. It's stunning. So we have the brand name with Phoenix. We're building a lot of bikes for this brand, but in the same time, if you're going to order some bikes for yourself if you're starting the bulk order from us, we will be able to put any brands on the bikes. It's like OEM. It will be simple. All right. And I'd like to give it a ride. Let's go. No. Now speed up. I'll have to turn around. Oh, these packages are ready for shipping. That's easy. These are basically the same. All right. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And this is my personal favorite. And if you're interested, please feel free to let me know. Basically, we basically accept bulk orders for this bike, which means we do not retail, because the delivery time is quite long for this kind of bikes, and so we do not retail for the moment. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you're interested, please feel free to let me know. Bye bye.